Hey everyone, welcome to Building with Nora. Today, I'm putting together the heavy-duty boltless shelving unit from Day Plus. First off, I cracked open the box to make sure I had everything I needed. I grabbed a rubber mallet, a flathead screwdriver, and a sharp knife for those tricky spots that the screwdriver couldn't handle. I started by setting up the uprights and putting the feet on all four of them to protect my floors. Then, I took one of the front and back panels and bent the tabs out a bit to make it easier to fit them into the slots. With a few taps from the rubber mallet, they slid right in. Next, I went up to the second slot from the bottom and worked my way around to form a rectangle. There's a bar that slides into the middle panels for added stability. I bent the tabs inwards and slid them into the slits on the inside of the front and back panels. I made sure everything was secure by tapping all the panels again and bending down any tabs that were sticking out. I built up to levels and then attached the upright connectors at each corner. I added the next four uprights and bent the tabs out to secure the top part, but I left the bottom tabs since I want to lift the top section off to fit it into the shed. I continued stacking 3 more levels, repeating the same steps. Finally, I popped the last feet onto the top of the uprights. I think it really adds to the look. After that, I headed out to the shed and cleared it out. The new shelves look awesome in there. I put everything back in, but I think I might need another unit to get things more organized. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.